I got to know Project Echo. Last year, I was in the structured literacy classroom where I learned about implementation of structured literacy practices. And this year, Project Echo is piloting a program where they support a school through the whole school year. So what we've been learning is how students really learn how to read. It really does come from oral language beginnings. It comes from high interactions with adults, especially educated adults. Now, once you have oral language and you understand the sounds, then in words, you can start finding the individual phonemes. Now, those individual phonemes, we only have 44 of them in the English language. We have 44 unique sounds, but we have over 250 ways to spell and read those sounds. So what we're doing is a kindergarten through 5th grade approach where we are really having students look at words, find the sounds, look at words, hear the syllables. Because when we hear them and then we start to see ways to read them and spell them, that is what really that decoding is. It's I can see it, I can understand it. That really sets them on a good path. And that is something that we are really doing here, is to understand the layers of phonics instruction that eventually just lead to grade level word study.